Welcome back to SQ World. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about something important in Selenium, implicit wait. It helps your test run smoothly by waiting for elements to appear, even if they take a little time. Let's start how it works and when you should use it. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the headless mode, how you can run your test in headless mode without the graphical interface. So let's begin. Create a new Python file. Right click on this Python project and then new and then click on Python file. Enter the file name implicit wait and then click on Python file. Now import the WebDriver for initializing. Import the WebDriver and by for locating the element import. Now, next thing here we need to do initialize the URL here. Enter variable name URL and then navigate the URL driver.get and URL. I will explain by this login page after this username and password, and then click on the login button, and then I will explain how to use the implicit wait. Copy this URL and paste here. Before the login, we need to enter the username and password and then click on the login button. Then we can log in into this portal. So right click on this field username and then click on inspect. Here we can look at this element by username, ID here available and name also available. The best approach for locating the element is ID. So use ID because ID is unique. Driver dot find element by ID and enter the ID value here, which is username, and then enter some text here for use send keys and the username here available. Copy this username and paste here. After enter the username and password, we need to enter the password in the password field. Driver dot find element by dot ID and then enter the value of ID. Right click on this password field and then click on inspect. Here ID available and name also available. Either you can look at by ID or name. Copy this ID, which is password, and enter ID value here and then enter the password in this field. Their password is available. Copy this password and paste here. After enter the username and password, we need to click on this login button. So right click on this login inspect, and here I added the selector hub extension, which is good for finding the XPath and relative XPath. Here relative XPath, copy this relative XPath and then driver dot find element by dot XPath and enter the value of XPath here. In this scenario, we need to click on this login button. So we will use here dot click. Now, after enter the username and password, we need to click on the login button. Let's log in into this portal. Enter the username and then enter password and then click on login. Now click on this hamburger menu. So right click on this and then click on inspect and then click on Selector Hub. We can locate this element by relative XPath. Copy this XPath and driver dot find element by XPath, and then the XPath here, and use click method for clicking this element. After opening this hamburger menu, suppose you want to click on this login button, and here link text. This is link. We can locate this element by link text. If I right click on this inspect, and this is link. So use driver dot find element by dot link text, and then text is logout dot click. Now I will show you how to use the implicit wait. Let's run this script. Right click and then click on run. First it will navigate to this URL and then enter username and password, and then click on hamburger menu. Here you can view we are getting some error. No such element, unable to locate element method link text. So we need to resolve this issue by using the implicit wait. So use driver dot implicit wait and add 5 seconds here, and then click on the logout button. After clicking on this logout button, add some wait here, time dot set 3 seconds. This is the good approach for using the wait in Selenium, because it will wait. Suppose this element present after 2 seconds, then it will wait only for 2 seconds. But if you use the time dot slip, it will pause the test execution for 3 seconds. Let's run this script. Chrome driver is opening. First enter username and password, and then click on logout button. Add wait here 10 seconds. Let's again run this script. Chrome driver is opening. Enter username and password, open hamburger menu, and then click on logout button. Implicit wait is a feature in Selenium that makes the browser wait for a certain amount of time before throwing an error if an element is not found. It helps your test wait for web elements to load before interacting with them. That is for today's tutorial on implicit wait. It is a simple way to avoid those annoying errors when elements do not show up right away. Try using different wait times to fit your test. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on Selenium. See you in the next video.